freak October snowstorm, October 29th, 2011. Okay, my big oak tree has dropped a lot of limbs, and this is not the worst of the damage. The worst of the damage is there. I've got live wires down, live electric wires to the pole. The road up the street is shut down. Consequently, everyone's coming down here. Crews on standby. Oh, this is bad, folks. This is bad. I lost a lot on this one. Let's go back out to the street. We got about 5 to 6 inches of snow. The road isn't too bad. We're waiting for a bucket truck to come and pick up those live wires. We have no power whatsoever. I don't know when I'm going to upload this. Power is totally out. This whole area is for Blungit. Global warming? I don't think so. This is October 29th, 2011. First time I've ever seen snow before Halloween. It's getting wet out here. This is the front view coming out the front door. There's the big limb we spoke of. There's another big limb. Now, here's the main damage. This limb took down, maybe that limb over there too, took down the wire, okay, which belongs up there. See that wire? That's mine. Wow, that something just went down. Alright, this is a live wire. Okay, this goes to my electric meter, which has passed away. That's my electric meter. Wire up to the side of the house, ripped off, completely ripped off the side. See it? So much for that. Let's take a peek out here. Don't step on the wire, Joey. Okay. And let's see. Oh wow, this is bad too. You ain't getting through there. Nope. And this is my house. And this is my mess. Okay. And that, folks, is all she wrote. Alright, it's October 30th, 2011, the day after the storm. It's about 38 or 40 degrees, actually sunny for once. Let's get another look at the total tree damage. And we'll look at the wire damage. Alright, let's see here. See that big limb? Up that big old oak tree there. Couldn't stand the weight of all the snow and ice and succumbed, sadly, along with many of his brethren. Here you can see how the town piled up snow, rather haphazardly if I do say so. Alright, here we go. Another little down limb. Here's where that wire is down. We spoke of this bit. Coming right up from the pole. That's my electrical connection. It was pulled out of its mooring. I'll show you that in a minute. Consequently, the road here is narrowed down to one lane. I might just tie some kind of a ribbon on there so people see the wire is there. Alright, over here. Here's the wire. I put cones out. I don't want anybody traipsing around. It shouldn't be. You can see right? Go over there. Right there. It pulled the electrical meter right out of its mooring. See? Elgano. And the stripping right off my house. Looks like we had a few bees in there, huh? Alrighty. Okay. There's another look here. Another big limb. And that, boys and girls, is all she wrote on my property. Remember, I'm Crazy New York driver, and you're not.